Green Gem Wild Bird Feeding Station with simple no-tool assembly. Simply set up as shown. The base can be pushed into the ground or placed in a holder on the patio. Assembly instructions are also included. This feeding station features a 3-part pole system with a double feeder bracket on the top, which is secured with a wing nut, a wraparound feeder bracket, a Dulux bird bath, and a mesh feed dish. Our feeding station is also finished off in the brown hammertone coating to protect the metal from the elements. Its approximate height is 2 metres. It is now recognised that feeding wild birds all year round is a main factor in the survival of many native birds. Because some birds hang from feeders and some prefer ground or table feeding, this feeding station offers versatility for all kinds of wild birds. Always ensure a continual supply of fresh feed and water, as birds may become dependent on what you provide. It is important to maintain a hygienic environment when feeding wild birds. Please ensure you regularly clean this feeding station with warm water and a safe disinfectant.